you know, especially when I go into places like South America, or, you know, I go into places where there's darker skinned people, you know, and they say to me, oh, you know, we love you, Crixus, or we love Deathstroke, and I can see this kind of connection that suddenly, you know, some of these stereotypes are getting broken, you know, by just representation on the screen. That's kind of important. I find that really important because you know, when I grew up in Australia, I'd always be the kind of the guy trying to pick up the Australian bloke's girlfriend. And I go, who's this smarmy, dark-haired guy? And it really bought into racism and a whole bunch of levels like that. You know, it really does. It does. It buys into it. It's the stereotypes. I mean, unwittingly or unwillingly, I don't know, but all of the orcs in Lord of the Rings were Maoris. I kid you not. All of my Maori-made actors, they weren't playing the great elves or the, you know, they were all dressed up with bones and stuff around their neck going, primitive. You know, I think we've got to be careful about that out there in the way that we create our social stereotypes. In terms of playing, kind of like being able to play some great villains, and having Peter Jackson pick me as an orc, thank you very much for that experience, it was incredible. You know, they're powerful, you know, they're powerful. I mean, you guys know it, you know, there's, you know, you can sit there and you can play a doctor who knows how to perform an operation, or a police officer, or you can, you know, point a gun at you and say, I'm the good guy, you're the bad guy. But when you get into these super villains, you know, there's just so much stuff. It's like playing classical piano, you know, it's like really getting heavy on the keys. And that's a great challenge.